Hello everyone, welcome to Remindax demo. In this demo, we are going to discuss how the Remindax works. Now, we will be looking into the report sections. The report section is evolving and we have different reports available at the moment. In the reminder reports, we can see there are different reminders which are set, and we would like to see how many are sent, how many are failed, how many are scheduled. If we would like to see for the progress for the month of November, so yes, we can have a look and we can share, we can see that what is the status. So we can do that and we can print and we can view the report. Coming back to the report section, we have a document validity report, generate a report by document validity. So we will be able to see for all the documents and we will be able to see either they are valid, they are expired, or something like that. So we will be able to see for a particular time period we would like to see, and yes, we can do that. Then we have reminder replies report. All the people who have sent us the reply, we can see all the reminders and all the people and all the activity that we have performed. So we will be able to see that. In the activity section, we would like to see if we have any comment so far. So yes, we will be able to see. We would like to give it a print, we would like to have a view. So yes, definitely we can do that. Then in the report sections, we have user permission report. We can see the permissions, like there's David Charles, and we can see that they are different sections where we have given some permissions, and we can see what permissions we have given for any company and any department. We can have a look at that. That's it from my side. If you have any question, you just contact the support and you can proceed to ask any question and we will be happy to assist you. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.